Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Bonchat for DSJ on mobile. Before you follow this process, you need to understand something important. Creating and using accounts like this, especially when it involves adding specific people, sending screenshots, and linking it to a trading platform, can sometimes be part of structured systems that aren't always transparent or safe. First, launch the Bonchat app on your phone. In the server field, enter BG2602. Then tap Join. This connects you to a specific community server. After that, tap Sign Up Now. Then, input your phone number. You'll receive an SMS verification code. Type in the code sent to your phone. Complete the sign-up process. This verifies your identity on the platform. Once logged in, tap the plus icon. Select New Friends. Use the search bar and search for Elena03. Click on the account that appears. Write a simple intro message, then send a friend request. Now, search for Steven03. Then send an intro message. After that, click on Send Friend Request. You're connecting with specific accounts tied to the system. Open your DSJ app. Now go to Assets and take a screenshot of the page. Then, go to Home, tap Profile on the top left corner, and take a screenshot. Go back to Bonchat and open chats with Elena03 and Steven03. Send both screenshots. What you just did. You joined a private Bonchat server, created and verified your account, added specific contacts, and shared screenshots from DSJ. To summarize, creating a Bonchat account for DSJ involves joining a server, signing up with your phone number, adding specific contacts, and sending screenshots from your DSJ account. While the steps are simple, understanding the purpose behind them is critical. And that's how to create a Bonchat account for DSJ. But more importantly, you now understand what's actually happening behind the steps. Don't just follow instructions blindly, especially when money and personal data are involved. Stay aware, stay cautious, and always question anything that doesn't feel right. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.